Happy second week of school, Howcocks. I hope you enjoyed Labor Day weekend. I'm your principal, Mrs. Graham. And something a little bit about myself is that this is my 17th year in education. I've been a teacher for first grade, second grade, a little bit of third grade, fourth grade, and fifth grade. And now I'm a principal. Boys and girls, I know how much attendance matters. If necessary, your school schedule can be flexible during remote learning. But as much as possible, it's best for your learning if you can log into Canvas and join your teacher at the assigned times every school day. If you miss a scheduled time, you can watch a video of the lesson your teacher has saved for future use. However, it is best to be live on Zoom with your teacher so you can ask questions and hear answers from other students' questions. The videos won't be able to include everything you missed, so please make sure to log in each day so you don't miss out. Plus, we want you here. Families, I cannot tell you how much I appreciate all of your effort in your students' education this week. I know we've had some struggles. I know we've had some mishaps with our technology, but what I also know is, for the most part this week, it was a pretty successful week, and we couldn't do it without you. I know it's only been a week, but like many things right now, there has been some changes that I need to tell you about. The state has approved that school meals will be now free for all children through the age of 18. This change is only approved through December 31st. You can still go get those grab and go meals from 11 and 12:30 and can be picked up by parents or caregivers from one of the school lunch locations. The closest location to Houck is Fruit Valley Elementary, Washington Elementary, and Discovery Middle School. If you can't make it to a school site to pick up a lunch, you can head over to Compass Church 2 on Main Street, where they'll be handing out free lunches as well. Also, if you still have not received your supply bag from school, contact us so we can get that to you. In other news, I'm really excited about this. Our first school assembly will be this Friday, September 11th at 8:45 a.m. We might not get to gather in the gym, but we will be able to gather on Zoom, and I'm really excited about that. Boys and girls, I cannot wait to see all of your faces at our school assembly. I want you guys to have another great week of school, and try to stay cool out there because I know it's hot. Have a great week, boys and girls.
We, the House School community, encourage, inspire, and empower all students to become lifelong learners and responsible citizens.
A big happy birthday to those students and staff whose birthdays were last week and this week. We hope you had or have a great day. If you're having any technical problems with your iPad, you can now visit a tech support station. Stations are set up at particular schools on specific days of the week. Until construction at Houck is complete, we will not have a tech support station at our school, but you can go to VSAA Mondays and Wednesdays from 9 to noon and 1 to 4, or Washington Elementary on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 8 to 11 and noon to 3. If you need more tech support location options and times, please contact Houck and we'll try to help find one for you.
Boys and girls, we have some really exciting things that we've got planned for you this week. We have open cafeteria time starting at 11:15 and will go to 11:45 every day. This gives you an opportunity to eat your lunch and chat with your friends, as well as there'll be adults on there just monitoring and making sure that we are doing what we're supposed to be doing. Tuesday, it will be kindergarten and first. Wednesday will be second grade. Thursday will be third grade. And Friday will be fourth and fifth. Another exciting event that we have is our all-school assembly. I talked about that at the beginning of our announcements. Please come and join. It starts at 8:45 on Friday, and your teachers will have the link. Lastly, parents, students, make sure your parents know this, they have the opportunity to meet me on Thursday evening from 4:30 to 5:30 through Zoom. So let your parents know that if they want to meet the principal and have any questions or concerns that they'd like to share, have them come on Thursday from 4:30 to 5:30. and teachers have posted that link as well.
Hello, Howcocks. It's Mr. Hofarth here to talk to you about safety. At school, we practice 2 safety drills each month, and one of those is always the fire drill. Though you don't need to practice these drills often at home, it's a good idea for your family to have a plan in place in case there is a fire. Take time this week to talk about fire safety, plan exit routes from where you live, and figure out a meeting spot outside. If you want more fire safety tips, you can find many websites online like redcross.org and safekids.org. Now, here's Mr. Smith with the Safety Song of the Month.
Up and down the stairs, or when we wait our turn, or keep our hands to ourselves, we all can learn to keep each other safe. We've got to use our heads, don't run around in the hall, you gotta walk instead. Safety starts with you and me. We learn better when we're safe, you see. School is more fun when everyone uses safety first. Yeah, safety first. Safety starts with you and me. We learn better when we're safe, you see. School is more fun when everyone uses safety first. Yeah, safety first.
Please join us for the Pledge of Allegiance. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thanks. Have a great day.